Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe, children. This is a revision video of GK, children. GK, you're going to attend your test most test today, children. And the question pattern, see multiple choice questions. You will get 10, true or false 8, and match the following 7 all together for 25 marks, children. Now let us start revision, children. Lesson 1, Handicrafts of North India. See, India is rich in culture and crafts, well depicted in its handicrafts, be it decorative pieces, jewelry, or clothes. So the handicrafts are famous the world over. Okay, children. See, next, lesson 2, First Indian Women 2. Okay. In this, they might ask an Phillips or choose like, children. First women flight engineer to be inducted into the Indian Air Forces, Hina Jaiswal. The second, first women army officer to lead an all-men contingent at the Republic Day Parade 2019 is Lieutenant Bhavana Kaus Lucy. 3. First and only women officer in the Indian Army's Motorcycle Daredevil Squad at the Republic Day Parade in 2019 is Captain Shika Surabhi. 4. First woman to head the Astronomical Society of India, the prime association of professional astronomers in the country, Dr. G.C. Anupama. Number 5. First woman ampute in the world to climb Mount Everest in 2013 and Antarctica's highest peak, Mount Vinson, is Arunima Sinha. 6. First Indian ever to win a gold medal in a track event at the World U20 Championships 2018, Hina Das. Next, lesson 3, Look at My India. In this, they might have a chance of asking either in multiple choice questions or true or false, children. See, here, it is the India's largest freshwater lake located in district of Jammu and Kashmir. What is it? Wular Lake. Okay, mainly you will learn the bold words like this given now, children, in GK in each page. The bold letters given and that sentence you learn. Those are important. See, number 2, how can they ask means it is one of the highest waterfalls in India. Nokalike Falls. Next, see, it was formerly known as Sadaki Azam. It is the Grand Trunk Road. Next, see, it is a cable stayed bridge and it is the longest bridge of India. Anything if they ask, you must write Bandra Worli Sea Link. Okay. Next, see, the largest and best known mosque of India is Jama Masjid. Okay. Next, see, it is the largest dome of India. It is located in Bijapur, Karnataka, Gol Gumbaz. Next, lesson 4, the heart of India. First, it is known for its stupas, monasteries, temples, and pillars dating from 3rd century BC to the 12th century AD. What is it, children? Sanchi. Next, number 2, this place is blessed by the gods, sanctified by the faith of pilgrims. It is Chitrakoot. Next, number 3, it is the only diamond city of India, Panna. Next, it is a city of palaces, temples, and monuments. It is Gwalior. Like this, if you underline and learn, it is enough, children. Next, to see, it is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Then it is also called City of Lakes, that is Bhopal. Number 6, this city was founded by Bandela Rajput chieftain Rudra Pratap in the 16th century. Which place it is? Orcha. Next, to see, children, it is popular for its soaring peaks, deep gorges, lush green forests, and breathtaking sunsets. What is it? Pachmarhi. Next, it is one of the holiest cities of India. It is Ujjain. Next, lesson 5 on the western coast. Okay. See, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, that is Navashiva, located in Navi Mumbai, is the largest container port in India. Next, see, children, Lonar Lake, located at Lonar in Buldana district, was created by a meteor hitting the earth. Next, see, all houses in Shani Shignapur have no doors. Next, see, children. The first printing press of Asia was installed at St. Paul's College in Goa in 1956. Goa is the only place where one can hire a two-wheeler taxi called Pilots. Next is see children. Deltin Caravella is Asia's only floating casino. Okay, and it is located in the coastal waters of Panaji in Goa. Next, lesson 6, commissioned ranks. See children, the Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of India. They consist of Army, Navy, and Air Force. See, the President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. Okay, children, underline this line. Next, see, lesson 7, the new 7 wonders of the world. How can they ask questions? Means from this, in match the following, they might ask children. See, the wonders name and in which place they are situated. Okay, see, Great Wall of China, China. Next, Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro. Machu Picchu in Peru. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Roman Colosseum in Italy. Taj Mahal in India. And Petra in Jordan. Next, lesson 8, famed cathedrals. A cathedral is a very large, usually stone building for Christian worship. Okay, it is the largest and most important church of a diocese. Okay, children, like this, the bold letters which are bolded you can learn. Okay, Notre Dame de Paris is widely considered as one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture in France and Europe. Okay, see, next, see children, Nidaros Cathedral was built around 1300. Okay, next, see, Winchester Cathedral at Winchester in Hampshire is one of the largest cathedrals in England. Okay, see, St. Basil's Cathedral is a Russian Orthodox church. Okay, erected on the Red Square in Moscow. Okay, children. Next, lesson 9, headgears around the world. In this Phillips, they can ask children, for example, headgear is a covering for the head. Okay. So, and we all have worn it during our lifetime, either regularly or occasionally. Okay. So, like this, the bold words, no? The bold words in a sentence, and according to that, the sentence also fully you learn thoroughly, children. Next, lesson 10, monuments and buildings. This also have the possibility to ask in match the following, children. See, Skew Dagon Pagoda, Parasit in Nai Pudai, Myanmar. Next, Potala Palace in Lhasa, Tibet. Mont Saint Michel in Paris, France. Next, see Red Square. Where is it located? In Moscow, Russia. Next, National Palace Museum in Taipei, Taiwan. Next, Neuschwanstein Castle. It is Berlin, Germany. Next, lesson 11, natural wonders of the world. See, it is the largest cave in the world, Sundong Cave. Next, it is also known as Guanabara Bay, the harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Next, it is wider than the Victoria Falls. Which falls, children? Iguazu Falls. See, next, they are also known as Northern Lights. What is it? Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis is also known as Northern Lights. Next, see, children, it is a volcano in Michoacan City. It is a volcano in Michoacan, Mexico. Paricutin. Next, this forest is a group of curve-shaped pine trees. What is it? Crooked forest. This. Okay, children. Next, see, this. It is the world's largest ice cave. What is it? Idisenwald Cave. Next, lesson 12, famous official residences. It is the official residence of the President of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the official residence of the Prime Minister of the UK, 10 Downing Street. Next, it is the official residence of the President of France, Ellis Palace. It is the official residence of the President of USA, White House. It is the official residence of the royal family of UK, Buckingham Palace. Next, it is the official residence of the Pope, Vatican. Dear students, kindly prepare well for your GK midterm exam today, children, in test modes, and do well. All the best, children. Thank you and stay safe, children.